Before I go ahead and tell you what is the best camera for vlogging on YouTube, let me cheers. It was good. RedPhotographers.com, Peter here, guys. Today we're going to talk about 4 different devices that you can get with different price for doing your YouTube game. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post video almost every day, and if you are into free learning, I open up my heart and my knowledge to you. Don't forget to like this video at the end if you liked it. Number 1 is this guy right here, your phone. If you have any phone, it records HD or Full HD, or if even 4K, you can use it. Super easy, you just need a mic for that. Something between 30 to 60 frames per second that you can get slow motion as well. Don't underestimate the power of cell phones. Camera number 2 is G7X Mark II from Canon. It is very small, very compact. It is a pocket-sized camera. You can take it with you everywhere. It has IBIS or in-body stabilizer, so I totally recommend it. One thing I don't like about this camera is like this camera has the focal length of 24 to 100 millimeter, which is great, but it is fixed. But in reality, for vlogging, you really don't need that 10 millimeter or 15 millimeter super wide angle lens. 24 to 100 is gonna cover up everything for you that you need in order to vlog. The second things I don't like about it is like it doesn't shoot in 4K, so it's not actually very important. It's the end of 2019, and you know people are using 6K. Why not 4K? We are gonna follow the bandwagon at the end. The price of this camera is $400. Don't forget, YouTube doesn't accept 4K video, and if you record 4K video and you export it from whatever software that you're using, you just drop it on YouTube, it's gonna downsize it to 1080p. Definitely you're gonna get a little bit better quality, but this video you're watching right now is not something fancy, but it is full HD 24 frames per second with my EOS R. Camera number 3 is my beloved ADD from Canon. This camera right here, guys, this camera is everything. You can do professional photography and professional videography with this camera. This is one of the Canon's masterpieces. It has flip out screen, which is great for vlogging, interchangeable lens. What I don't like about it, it is a little bit heavy. If you want to have your camera handheld up here and record yourself, you know, it's gonna break your back a little bit. Another bad thing about it is 4K. Don't tell anybody, because 4K, we're gonna go to 6K, 8K in 2020. The price of this camera right now, the body is $600. I highly recommend this guy. It is still a good frame with me. Most of the time I use this camera for my videos. This camera, GoPro Hero 7, is number 4. If you're a lot to action cameras and you wanna talk about your lifestyle, this is $299 camera that I highly recommend you if you want to use it for YouTube channel. If you have extra money, my recommendation is to get ADD and then invest in something like this too. It is waterproof. It is gonna change the story of your YouTube channel. I tell you again, it depends on what you want to do on YouTube. If you're just gonna sit here and talk about stuffs, maybe you don't need this guy. It has super wide angle lens, super image quality, and it is waterproof 10 meters under the water. Extremely portable. There are tons of accessories, third-party accessories for this guy right here. What I don't like about it is like you gotta get 2 or 3 batteries if you want to tell the story of the whole day and then edit it somewhere in Adobe Premiere Pro, for example. You gotta get an extra battery. And what really sucks is sound quality. Recently they launched GoPro 8 Black that they work on the flip out screen and 3 mics with NR noise reduction, $399. That's it about this video. Let me know you like it or not. Let me know which one of these bad boys you are gonna get. Don't forget to write me a comment, and don't forget, I post video on YouTube almost every day. Subscribe to my channel. You will get a lot out of it, and catch up with you next time.